party. It's being hosted in the swimming pool. Private party, and we are blessed with a lot of friends that are here. And thank you so much for this place. Thank you for
Hindi.
people. Very nice. There are the area where people are coming. These are the people that are afraid to swim. They're here now to find bumati kayo sa Pilipinas, makikita na ni Ate Tess sa Pilipinas. Ayan si Inang, saka sila Mama. Celebrating Joshua and Hannah's birthday. Mga takot sa tubig.
Pakanin mo muna ng plate ng dalawa.
Ayan.
Si Ate Tess, the hostess of the hostess.